Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata and when you turn the steering wheel left or right you hear a clunking noise coming from the suspension, stay with us. We'll cover the top things that can cause that. We'll probably share 7-8 reasons, but 3 of those are super common, so make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about and we'll try to save you quite a bit of money and teach you how to fix your car on your own. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So this specifically to 2013 Hyundai Sonata guys, that we have here. We have the strut removed, we just made a video how to replace strut on that thing, but let's explain, what can cause that clunking sound. A few very common things that can do that guys. We'll share very common ones and the least common as we go, so make sure you stay until the end. When you guys turn, you have the strut attached to the hub. The wheel hub will turn the steering knuckle and the strut will actually turn in that bearing strut mount right here. When that thing goes bad guys, this is the number one thing to hear clunking, and movement, feeling movement from the suspension. You can see how it's supposed to turn, but when it goes bad it develops a play or the bearing fails or the bushings, and that will develop a clunking sound. We've seen that happen quite often on higher mileage vehicles. Something else, that you need to check guys. Sway bar links. The sway bar link connects to the strut mount, and connects the sway bar on each side. When those go bad guys, you can often develop that clunking sound as well, because if you have a play when you turn the steering wheel, the sway bar will turn as well, and that can lead to clunking sound too. Another thing on the sway bar, you have bushings, right there, that if they're not functioning correctly, that can create quite a bit of clunking, when you turn the steering wheel. Something else guys, you need to inspect your ball joints. You will have ball joint on the outer tie rod, and you will have a ball joint right here, you can see on the suspension on the control arm. If those have play, that's very common that you can develop that clunking sound as well. Also, it could be caused by an inner tie rod on the inside if you have a play, or a bad rack and pinion. We've seen that happen as well. But what we'll recommend guys to check, it could be something else, let me tell you. It could be even bushings on the control arms. So we'll always start checking by sway bar links, strut mount, play in the inner tie rod, ball joint, bushings, and control arms. Then rack and pinion after that. But make sure everything guys checks out fine and you'll be easily able to find your problem. But if you hear a clunking sound, it's very likely that it's from here. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.